would say I do consider myself as a trailblazing person because I have invented products, I have patented new ideas, I have patented new technology. Because with these kinds of high-tech things, like pretty much anything you can think of is something that nobody's ever thought of before, because nobody's really tried any of this stuff before. So it's almost like being a sci-fi writer. You can just think like, oh, what if we did this? What if this was possible?
To me, being trailblazer isn't about walking in front. It's about clearing the path so others can walk beside you.
I came here in the US to take a microscopy course, actually. I didn't know anything about microscopy. I wasn't exposed back home. Being in the field opened up a lot of opportunities now in semiconductor. And I see it like photography. I like photography, so I kind of like see the very similarities between the two. And now with all these advanced microscopy analytical techniques plus the newer microscopes, it's really great. I'm still mid-level. I wouldn't say like I'm like the best of all or the highest trailblazer, but I could see people in the field that I could consider that are, oh yeah, definitely, kind of like when I grow up I want to be that person.
Trailblazer definitely not someone just running fast by yourself. It's right. You bring your whole team and all the younger engineers and go with you together. That will definitely have a bigger impact. It's right. We so know each individual only can do so much, and not too much nowadays compared before. So you really need a whole big team to be great, and they will really make a bigger impact.
I didn't intend to be. I think it all follows down. Once you start believing in what you think, they start believing you. You should have the curiosity and thirst for learning at first and be open to the fact that you don't know everything. And then eventually, because of that, you learn many things. And when you learn many things, you share it. And then when you share it, everybody sees your wealth of knowledge. And then the more open you are to sharing, in my opinion, the more it facilitates growth and exchange of information. And that's where aha moments come. So last year in ISTFA, it was in San Diego, I believe. So all my team were with me, right? So, and then that time we have an urgent debug. It was some kind of debug, and my engineer wanted to talk to me, but every time she wants to talk to me, there's always someone trying to talk to me. So she said, "Oh, Leslie, you're like Taylor Swift." So he was telling me I was the Taylor Swift of F1.
Realizing the importance of working your network, going to conferences and meeting people and volunteering at conferences. sharing sessions and volunteering to review papers and these kinds of things, because they really help you to get well known in your field. And the people that you meet doing those things are people that are going to be, hiring you later, or maybe recommending you for a position later.
Being part of ISTFA overall has been very rewarding. Like, deciding to be part of it has opened up opportunities, meeting a lot of different people in the field. So that's been really good for me as far as my experience in ISTFA. And now we're having something like this specifically for women in the field. I think is very important.
One time I talked with my colleague actually in Malaysia, and then she really, tried to step up, a lot of career growth, ahead of her. And she told me, and she said, Susan, a lot of times she has no confidence, but when she saw me, up there doing my thing, and she feel like she can do that too.
When things get really dark, you need to keep an open mind. One thing that shaped me, it gave me confidence. So even when everyone else is kind of challenging your thoughts, I think it's important to be more objective about what you do.
Being technical isn't enough. You basically rely success on being open and creative and understand people. It's not just about what we build, but it's about why people choose to use it, right? So everyone sees things differently, and when you understand that, then you can actually connect and influence and innovate.
Be confident. Don't overthink about things. There is a mistake. That's a good chance to learn. Learn from our mistake, but then move on. Never dwell on things. Something happened that could be wrong. That's a part of the learning.
Sometimes we have great ideas in our head. It just doesn't come out because we're too scared to be judged for those ideas. So that's what I think. You should be always curious. You should always question things.
Don't let what you don't know stop you. I came into semiconductor as a nurse, not engineering degree, no technical background, just a lot of curiosity and a strong accent, right? But I learned early on that asking questions isn't a weakness. It's actually a strength.
Like, having more of a grasp of something outside the field, that's something that would be great. I wish I had the drive to do some kind of programming language, learning more about it. That's one thing that I wish I started.
Don't be afraid to ask questions. Admitting that you don't know things really does take a lot of confidence, and I wish that I had that when I was a little bit younger, because it would have been an opportunity to learn a lot more.
A trailblazing woman in any kind of field is needed. Like, the passion and the work that they do, and being personable and very strong-minded is very important.
What I really hope is I can bring a positive impact to other people. The other people could be my colleague, could be even my boss, my colleague, and my family, my friends, and whoever I will be with. I want to have a positive impact on them.
I think as women, we need to really empower each other, right? So, and it's really hard to to stand up against in an engineering world. It's really hard to do that, right?
I felt really welcomed in this community, and it's been cool. It's just been challenging, and I've learned a lot. And mainly, I'm just I want to express my gratitude and appreciation for how much this community has given me.
Because everything I do is about people. So I love build bridges between business and science, between teams, between generations. Here we are. That's where real progress happens, right?